Hello, kindergartners. Okay, so this lesson does not have a video today. We are on lesson number 9 in chapter 2 on page 145, and we're going to talk about one more with numbers to 10. Our essential question is, what do numbers tell me? Okay, on your page and my page, it looks like we're eating a very yummy, healthy salad. All right, on the Explore and Explain part, we're going to use our dots, my dots, to act out the story. A salad has 7 peppers. Another salad has 7 and 1 more peppers. Count the counters, color 1 box for each counter. Write the numbers, circle the number that shows 1 more than 7. So we're going to need my tools today. Let's get out my dot tools. And our first 10 frame, we're going to use 7 of these dots. So if you want to go ahead and start coloring 7 boxes, you will be ready, and you can do circles in your box, or you can use your counters if you want to take them out if you have some. And we're going to put them on each box all the way to 7. Remember, the first top is worth 5, and then we're going to count on 6 and 7. All right, so the next time they want us to do underneath is 1 more than 7. So we're going to go ahead and put in 7 and add 1 more. Remember, the top part is 5. Always in a 10 frame, it is 5. And then you say 6, 7. And we want 1 more, so the next number is called 8. All right, let's get out our writing tools. We're going to write our numbers in our boxes. So this one is 7. And 1 more than 7 is our number 8. Make your S, then don't wait. Go back up and close the gate. All right. Okay, we are in the top of page 146, and we've got a bunch of peas in a pod. All right, so we are going to count the peas in each pod. Then we're going to trace each number, trace the circle showing the number that is 1 more than 4, and that's for number 1. So let's go ahead and do that part first. All right, get out your writing tools. Make sure that you are writing with all your numbers starting at the top. That's a very important rule, that we all remember to start at the top. So here we go. Here's our 2, and then we've got 3, around a tree, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 peas in a pod, down and over, go down some more, and then we have 5. And they asked us to circle this number because it is 1 more than the number 4. So go ahead and put a circle around the number 5. Oh, how I love to eat watermelon. So my grandmother had this way of eating watermelon where she would put salt on her watermelon. Can you imagine? But she did. She loved to eat her watermelon with a little dash of salt. All right, so for number 2, boys and girls, we are going to count the seeds in each melon. Write how many. Circle the number that is 1 more than 7. Okay, so our 7 is our target number. So we're going to look here and see how many do we have here. We have 1. Oh, you know what I like to do? I like to get out my writing tool when I'm doing this because I like to keep track of what I'm counting. So when I do that, let's get out a red, or here, how about a blue marker so that we can see what we're counting. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and record that I have 6 there. All right, now let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, always remember to start those numbers at the top. Oops, I left my number back there. There we go. All right, now, here we go. We're going to count the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8. Okay, so make your S, and then don't wait. Go back up and close the gate. Okay, and then we're going to count this last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 seeds in that watermelon. So make your loop and then your line. All right. Now it asked us to do something important. It wanted us to circle the number that was 1 more than 7. So 1 more than 7 is our number 8. That's right. All right, so here is a great snack. We've got peanuts in the shell. All right, so this number is called number 3. Count the peanuts, write how many, circle the number that is 1 more than 6. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to get out a tool again because I like to count with something that I can write and keep track of what I'm counting. All right, this time I'm going to use a yellow. All right, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And go ahead and write that too. While I'm doing this, I hope that you're doing it too. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now we're ready to count the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is on your own, but I'm going to read the directions for you so that you will know which number you're going to be looking for. So it says count the oranges, write how many, circle the number that is 1 more than 5. So what is 1 more than 5? 6. You'll be circling your number of oranges that says 6. For number 5, we've got sandwiches this time. It says to count the sandwiches, write how many, circle the number that is 1 more than 1. Okay, boys and girls, for this one, you're going to count the beans. These are just beans. So write how many, circle the number that is 1 more than 9. Okay, we are on the last problem, which is called problem solving. So for this number 7, we're going to count the apples, write the number, then we're going to draw a group of apples that shows 1 more and write that number. Okay, so for this, I'm going to get out my writing tools. And I'm going to get a thick one so that I can write easier with my mouse. And I'm going to count these apples first by marking them so that I make sure I know the amount that I've counted. So I'm going to start here with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need to make 1 more than 8. And we know that the number right next to the number 8 is 9. So I need to make 9 apples. So you'll be making 9 apples on this plate. I'm going to change my color here, and I'm going to go ahead and go with red. And I'm going to make 9 apple slices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so now we need to write these numbers down here. So I'm going to put an 8 right here and a 9 right here. Remember that loop and a line makes it say 9. All right. Well, kindergarten students, I think we've finished our lesson for today. Have a great day.